This video will show you a method on how to cancel your Crunch membership.
Well, if you want to cancel your membership in Crunch Fitness, you need to check your membership type. If you've signed up at a physical location, you'll need to cancel it in person or by certified mail or to your home gym. If you joined online through crunch.com, go to their website, log in to your account, which right here or right here. Then wait, log into your account and find cancellation request form under My Membership or contact their online support. Make sure you cancel at least 30 days in advance to avoid the next billing cycle. Some membership have minimum terms, so check for any early cancellation fees. Always get confirmation, either a cancellation email or a stamp receipt from your gym. And that's it. You're officially free from your Crunch membership.